In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Shopify payments set up for your online store. This simple yet crucial task is the gateway to accepting payments from customers worldwide, ensuring that your e-commerce venture runs smoothly and efficiently. Let's dive into the process. First things first, open your web browser and head over to the Shopify website. You'll find yourself on the homepage of one of the most powerful and user-friendly e-commerce platforms out there. Your journey to setting up Shopify payments begins here. Now locate and click on the login button. It's usually found at the top right corner of the page. This action will redirect you to the login page where you'll need to access your store's admin panel. If you haven't logged in previously or your session has expired, you'll be required to enter your shop's URL to continue. Just type the unique identifier or the full URL of your store in the designated field. After you've entered your shop's URL, you'll see a couple of options for proceeding. For a seamless experience, click on Continue with Email. This choice will prompt you to log in using your email address associated with your Shopify account. This step ensures that your login process is secure and personalized. Following your selection to continue with email, you'll be faced with the task of choosing the correct account, especially if you have multiple accounts or manage more than one store. This step is crucial for accessing the specific store you intend to set up Shopify payments for. If prompted, select the right account to move forward. Once you're successfully logged in, navigate to the My Store area from your Shopify admin dashboard. This section is the heart of your store's backend, where you can manage and monitor everything from products to payments. It's essentially your command center for everything Shopify. Next, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the dashboard and locate the Settings icon. Clicking on this will take you to a comprehensive settings menu encompassing various aspects of your store's operations, from general settings to shipping and taxes. However, your focus should be on the Payments section. Clicking on this option is your next step. In the Payments section, you're getting closer to activating Shopify payments for your store. Look for the Choose a Provider button to proceed with the setup. This action will bring you to a list of available payment gateways that Shopify supports. Among these options is Shopify Payments, which powers your ability to accept payments directly without the need for third-party gateways. Choosing Shopify Payments is choosing simplicity and integration. It allows you to manage your payments directly within the Shopify platform, offering a seamless payment experience for both you and your customers. With Shopify Payments enabled, you can accept all major credit cards, get competitive processing rates, and view your payouts directly in the Shopify admin. Make no mistake, setting up Shopify Payments is more than just a technical requirement. It's a strategic move that streamlines your operations, reduces fees, and optimizes the checkout experience for your customers. Plus, it gives you access to advanced features like fraud analysis and dispute management, which are crucial for protecting your business. Remember, while Shopify Payments is designed to be straightforward and user-friendly, it's always a good idea to review all the settings and options available. Take your time to understand the features, fees, and payout schedules. This ensures that when you start accepting payments, everything runs as smoothly as possible, providing a hassle-free shopping experience for your customers. And just like that, you're all set. By following these steps, you've successfully navigated the setup process for Shopify Payments. But our journey doesn't end here. Continue to explore the capabilities of your Shopify store, optimize your settings, and always look for ways to enhance your customers' shopping experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more guides on making the most of your Shopify store. Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale your business, we're here to help you succeed every step of the way. Happy selling.